I'm going to do KDA, then I got to go. KDA. Once again, weekly 10 is your big bad line, so you're going to need the weekly 10 on. The monthly 10 just came into existence for this coin, so it's now 10 months old. I might be able to find a different line here to help us out. Ooh. Let me put on. Ooh. This looks like it's getting ready to spill, actually. Yeah, being below its daily 200 like this is, I mean, this is going to be an EMA death cross with the daily 55 going below the orange line, so the blue going below the orange is an EMA death cross. This looks like it's going to have a big squeeze down. Yeah, so the daily 55 and the weekly 10 are fairly in line. See that? And they typically are, based off the multiplication of daily 55 and the weekly 10, but it's close. They're usually very close. So you can either use the 50, just watch out for the death cross. You could use the daily 55 and the daily 200, and if it can't get it back above the daily 55, this is gonna have a big spill. This is gonna drop hard, real hard. If it can't get back above that 55, this is gonna have a hell of a spill. there is nothing like it could have it could sneeze here at $5, but it looks like it's coming back down to $1.90 to me. That'd be a pretty nice pickup too. But yeah, this is definitely in danger of a very, very large spill. I hate to say it, you know, especially if you're a fan of this. Come on here, 80. Yeah, it had an 83x run. This oh boy, yeah, this could have a really big one. This is definitely susceptible to a massive drop, because it went up too fast. It didn't take its time to build support levels. I mean, and this right here technically really isn't a support level. Like this is not going to offer final support. Most likely. and you know, the saving grace is if it could end up putting a lot of time in here, yes, okay, it could then build support potentially, but the likelihood of that happening I think is pretty low, given that it had an 83x run. So what I would do is I would keep on my daily 55 EMA and daily 200, and if it can't get, yeah, it needs to undo this incoming cross. This cross is going to be bad, and it needs to get above there and undo it and avoid it. This one's looking pretty bad. However, the cool thing about this is this could be one that, you know, after it has a spill, if it were to have a spill, it would probably recover very quickly, and that could be a really excellent pickup. But yeah, I wouldn't be really interested in it until it gets under $2, or at $2. $2 or just under. All right, rock and roll.